For the last 6 months, we've been working on something new. Something that would forever change your expectations for an audio company. A revolutionary new kind of wireless microphone system. And now, on our 1-year anniversary, we proudly present to you a different way to connect with the world. The Deity Connect. We've always been our own harshest critic by setting intensive goals for ourselves. And from there, we listened to feedback from the community. We wanted to design a system robust enough for professional sound mixers, but with a straightforward interface that anyone could use. In a time of ever-changing technological landscapes, we know ergonomics reign supreme. We wanted to design a system that would feel at home in a sound bag and on a camera. A true companion whether you're on set or running and gunning. We wanted users to be able to monitor audio levels, battery life, and signal strength of both transmitters all at the same time. So we gave it a high-res OLED screen with all the pertinent info on display, so that you would never be left in the dark again. When it came to the transmitter, we wanted to allow the user to dial in every setting they could imagine, and even some they couldn't. The BPTX has it all. Low-cut filters, analog limiters, locking inputs, even a high-frequency boost that allows you to regain lost sound when using heavy wind protection. But we didn't stop there. The BPTX boasts 100 milliwatts, making it one of the most powerful transmitters on the market. And in order to meet that power rating, we installed a lithium battery that can run for more than 10 hours, yet recharges in only 70 minutes. The USB-C port does more than just deliver high amperage charging. It also allows the user to update the firmware themselves. As we go forward, we plan to continue listening to the community and adding the firmware features they request. For all the advances we made in the BPTX, we knew the Duo RX had to be just as revolutionary. For the first time in history, you can now remote control every single setting on the transmitter from the menu of a bag receiver. Never before has such control existed in a portable wireless microphone system. Now, when you need to make a minor adjustment such as input sensitivity, you just do it, making hold for sound a thing of the past. We set out to make a wireless microphone kit that could travel the world and take the struggle out of frequencies, coordination, and pairing. We wanted to produce the world's first truly professional 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system for the digital content creators of tomorrow. So finally, we'd like to introduce you to the Deity Connect.